everyone, welcome to my channel. Lisa here with the Ultimate Fit Club. Today I'm going to show you 2 moves from the reformer that you can do on the mat. Grab all your tools. You're going to need a mat and a set of 1 to 3 pound dumbbells. All right, now that you got all your tools, let's get started. Let's put the 2 pound weights off to the side. We won't need them right away. So I'm going to put them down at the end. Perfect. So the first move is called the tree. We'll start in an upright position, sit up nice and tall, put both hands behind each hamstring, one hand on top of the other, behind the right hamstring. Lean back a little bit, sit up tall, and extend your leg 3 times. On your 3rd time, round your spine into a capital letter C. Hold onto your ankle and rock all the way back and rock all the way up. Try to keep that spine nice and round. One more time. And up. Now, if that was easy, you can leave it here, round back, stay round, climb down, and now climb right back up. Climb down once the low back touches, climb all the way back up. And flex your foot, sit up tall, and bend your knee. Let's try that again. If you have slippery pants on, you'll have to move them up. Hands behind the left hamstring. Bend and straighten. Nice gentle kicks. On the 3rd one, round your spine. Rock back and rock up. Try to keep that spine in a C. Eyes to your belly. Now on the last one, let's climb down the tree. Leave the leg planted. Climb down. Now pull your belly back to your spine and climb up. Again, lower, climb up, have those hands help you. One more time. And climb up. Sit up tall, flex your foot. And lower that leg down. Now that one can be added in right after your spine stretch forward onto your mat. That's a great place to add that. The second exercise is called the shave. If you don't happen to have weights, grab some water bottles, sit with your ankles crossed like crisscross applesauce, hands right on your knees, bring your hands over your head, form a diamond by interlacing your thumb and index finger right above your head. Lean slightly forward, and as you extend your arms, you press your knees down and bend. This exercise is all about posture. You're trying to lift your pits away from your hips toward the ceiling to get tall. Your head is still, your shoulders are still. The only thing moving are your arms. And open. So hopefully those 2 exercises will help you elevate your mat. Those are meant for if you're beyond the beginner stage and you want to spice up your mat a little bit. Try those 2 moves. If you need some workouts for the mat, I have those on the channel. Anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, short ones for you. If you want longer workouts, hey, come join us over on the Fit Club community. We have workouts ranging from 10 to 55 minutes. Over on the Fit Club, we have the stability ball, we have Pilates mat, and we have weight training. So there's something for everybody. I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment below. And then also don't forget to hit that red bell so you'll be notified when I post new workouts and tips. Until next time, see you on your mat. Bye.